Hello
Why
everyone.
you insist on being an idiot?
That's not nice.
Rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. Diamonds on my body, rich. Smell it like.
It's not nice that you're 40 and an idiot. That's not.
I'm not an idiot. I'm not an idiot. I'm brilliant and marvelous and amazing. And today I'm going to show you the Vifly charger. The only thing you need to look at. If you're here looking at it because you're curious, don't be curious. Just buy it. Just buy it right now. It's the perfect charger. You will need no other. They didn't send it to me. I bought it with my own money that I got from your affiliate money. There is an affiliate link for you. It's now featured in my website, the one place for you to find everything that you can trust and use. Why can you trust and use it? Because I use it myself. If it's good enough for me, it's good enough for you. It might not be good enough for her, but let's go to the table. Let me show you everything it does and why you need it. Let's go. First, what do you get in the box? You get this beautiful box, cardboard box. It comes with a little charger thing and some sticker. No, it's not a sticker. And we got some adapters, but we don't need any of this. But I just kept it all this time so that I could show it to you. There you go. You don't need it. Throw it all out, except for the charging cord. But we're already prepared. We can use a USB-C to power it. This is delightful because you can just take your little power banks and charge batteries anywhere. You can use DC power. You can plug that right in there too. Amazing. Or you can take a battery and you can stick it in there too. XT60. One more thing, keep it out of the sun, and you can use 2 to 6S batteries to power it. Isn't that amazing? Amazing. Smash the like button. Please smash the like button. Share it with your friends. Wow.
Just do it.
They have everything. It's delightful. We're going to walk through everything nice and fast. You can use big batteries. You can use small batteries. They're not all connected to each other. Each one of these is separate. So you can take a full one and an empty one. You can stick them in together. You can take a big one. You can take a small one. You can do them all at the same time. How does it work? When we touch this thing, it will adjust the power. So if you want to be charging, you can charge at 0.3 amps. You can charge at 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, all the way up to 1.3 amps. If you're going to be charging your 300s, you do 0.3. If you're going to be charging your 450s, you can do 0.5. So you choose the voltage, and let's say we're doing both, we can go in between with a 0.4. Amazing. Now you get to choose the voltage. Do you want to store it? You can store it at 380 or 385. Usually I just use 385, it's easier. And then we can choose if we want to go to 420, or if you have a high voltage, you go to 435. These are high voltage, but even if you get high voltage, if you run them at 420, they will last longer. They'll last even longer than normal ones. Whereas if you charge them to 435, they will fly longer, but they won't last as long. So I like to take these lava batteries. They're brilliant. These are the amazing batteries, the only 1S batteries you should be using. And this and these batteries, there'll be links to them in my website below. The one place where you can find everything that you need. The sub 250 website with the best of everything. So go look at the website. Now, to start it, we just long hold, boom, and it's charging. And we can take it out when it's full. We can add new ones. We can be flying all day. We can leave it like this. Let's say you're at a race. You take the battery off. You fly it. It drops and you want to be able to race it again. You just plug it in all over again and it'll take it back to the charge. It'll say okay. It's wonderful. Then you finish doing all your racing. You take off the charge. You put it to storage. 3.85. You start it. Now you can take all your batteries that are empty or full, and it'll take the ones that are full, drop it to storage. It'll take the ones that are empty and bring it up to storage, and it just does everything so beautifully. And it shows you everything too. It's the most amazing charger. The one for 1S and 2S are basically the same, so we're not going to review the 2S one. It's the same as this. You just buy it and use it. This is the best charger for 1S batteries in the world So just buy it. It's one of the best things I ever bought. It's a lot better than these screwy things and parallel ones that are all complicated and difficult to use. It's so simple. It's so beautiful. You can literally take it with you in your bag and charge batteries as you're walking through the mall, and then you're ready to gorilla whoop in the mall. If you want to see me gorilla whooping in the mall, I'll make a whole playlist. You can see my playlist of all my naughty tiny whoop flights. One more feature. When we hold this down long, there we go. We can make it loud, or if we find that annoying, we can turn it off so you don't have to listen to it. I wish my wife had one of those buttons. Delightful. The most wonderful charger in the world for 1S batteries or 2S batteries. So go in the website and order yours from me. It's an affiliate link, so that helps me. If you find me entertaining, please consider joining my Patreon. You can join for as little as $1, but the $2 would be nice. Or the $10, and I can say your name. Brilliant! Smoochy smoochy.